Hello, Mr. Gregory. This is Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I just wanted to take a quick minute and walk around this truck that you'd expressed a little bit of interest in. This is the 2014 white EcoBoost. It's got the gray bottom, the chrome wheels. It's got Pirelli tires, nice chrome wheel. I'd like to walk down the side here and let you look at the body lines. There's no dings or dents or anything like that. If there are, I always try to point them out. Four-wheel drive, obviously. V6 twin turbo. It's got the chrome package, so the chrome wheels, chrome bumper. It does have a backup camera, and you can see that right there. Truck's in really good shape. It does have tinted windows. Keyless entry pad here. This truck comes with 2 keys. It's got a light colored stone, kind of gray leather interior. It does have the console in the center. And this truck, as it sits right now, has 31,338 miles. Has powertrain coverage out to 100,000 miles and bumper to bumper out to 48,000 miles. So it's a really nice, clean, well-maintained truck. Like I said, it's an off-lease truck. So hopefully this gives you a little bit better insight as to what kind of quality and shape this truck is in. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a shout. You've got my contact information. Thanks a bunch and have a great weekend.